I'm Miss Kim from the Smithtown Library. Thanks for joining me. Today I will be showing you how to make festive and delicious winter ice cream cone trees, just like the ones that you see here, using simple ingredients that you may already have at home or that you can easily purchase at the supermarket. And let's get started. Thanks so much for joining me today, and please continue to visit the library's website at www.smithlib.org for more programs and resources. Bye!